Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you where to find and how to manage sound settings on LENOVO Pad Plus 11.5. First go to settings, then scroll down to sounds, and I'm gonna get you through all of these settings. The first ones are volumes. You can adjust media, ring and notification volume, and alarm volume. You can mute ring and notification volume. You can turn off media sound when this mute is on. You can adjust Dolby Atmos, enable Do Not Disturb, enable background sounds, as well as you can adjust media, settings, notification sound, alarm, and other sounds. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.